Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss the week 4 of quarter 4 science 8 work in power for day 1 understanding work. Objectives: define work and identify the conditions under which work is done. Determine the work done by different forces acting on an object using the work formula, and appreciate the importance of understanding forces and work in explaining everyday physical activities. For activity, let us answer these questions. The shortest straight line distance from the starting point to the final position, including direction. Okay, displacement. A push or pull that can change an object's motion. Force. Vectors that act in the same direction. Parallel vectors. Vectors that form a 90-degree angle with each other. Perpendicular vectors. The duration in which an event occurs. Okay, that is time. The quantity measured in joules. Okay, the unit of work is joules. And also energy, the unit of energy. The angle between force and displacement in work formula. Okay, theta. A force that opposes motion between two surfaces in contact. Okay, that is friction or the frictional force. A force acting upward perpendicular to the surface. Okay, the normal force. A downward force due to gravity. Okay, that is gravitational force. A student pushes a heavy box across the classroom floor. The box moves forward after the student applies force. Okay, what force caused the box to move? Okay, the force that is being applied by the boy, that is the... Okay, was work done on the box? Why or why not? Okay, dahil dun sa situation, gumalaw po yung box. Therefore, there is a work done. Kapag nagkaroon ng displacement or umandar yung nagkaroon ng distance covered yung object na tinulak natin, so may work yun. O what would happen if the student pushed the box but it did not move? Yun, ko kahit paanong force ang in-apply natin pero hindi nag-occupy ng distance or ng displacement yung box, hindi siya gumalaw, therefore work is zero. Okay, in what direction did the force and displacement act? Okay, the displacement should be in the direction of the motion of the force applied by the boy. Okay, why is direction important when computing work? In terms of vector quantity, direction is important. For example, the displacement, because if there's no displacement, there's no work done. So the direction is important. Okay, let us define some vocabulary. Okay, displacement, a vector quantity that describes the shortest straight line distance from an object's starting point to its final position, including direction. Or ibang tawag po dito, distance with direction. Yung from initial position to final position, yun ang pinaka-short, ano po niyan, yung the shortest distance from initial to final position of the object. When we say force, a push or pull that can change an object's motion. Okay, parallel vectors, vectors that act in the same direction. Yung in-apply kanina ng boy sa pagtulak, that is the parallel vectors. Okay, the perpendicular vectors, vectors that act at a right angle or 90 degrees to each other, or this is the so-called perpendicular. Kaya nga, perpendicular, that is exactly 90 degrees. Okay, the time, the duration during which an event or motion occurs. Okay, what is work? Okay, work is said to be done when a force is applied to an object and the object moves or displaced in response to that force. So, dalawang condition po, there should be a force and then a distance covered or a displacement covered. So, kung yan po natin ang formula ng work is force times distance. So, if there is force without displacement or displacement without force, then no work is done. So, either of the two ang mawala doon sa dalawang yun, bagay na yun, force and displacement, kailangan sila parehas. Alam mo, yung isang building, tinulak mo ng ubod lakas, kahit gaano kalakas yan, hindi mo napagalaw, there is no work. Okay, the formula for work is equals to force times distance and then the cosine theta. Okay, if yung cosine po na yan, ginagamit yan kapag mayroong angle formation dun sa force and then the direction of the motion of the object. Okay, W stands for work. The unit is joules or capital letter J. And then the F is Newton or the force. The unit of force is Newton. And then the D, the displacement in terms of meters. The standard unit is meters or M. Okay, the theta, the angle between the direction of force and then the displacement. Direction of force and displacement. The amount of work done depends on how the force direction compares to the displacement direction. Okay, for example, we have here direction of applied force to the right, direction of displacement to the right. Okay, the vector relationship is parallel. So, number 2, upward, and then upward also ang direction ng displacement, that is also parallel. O kumbaga yung direction of the applied force in the direction of the displacement is the same, that is parallel in terms of vector relationship. Okay, another one, yung isa ay inward, yung isa ay tangential, that is perpendicular, forming 90 degrees. And then toward the person, and then toward also the person, that is also parallel. Same ang direction ng applied force and then the displacement. Another one, upward yung isang direction, yung isa ay to the right, that is also perpendicular. It forms also 90 degrees. Okay, important note, only forces that have a component along the direction of displacement can do work. Okay, work done by different forces. Okay, a situation, a 40 Newton force is applied to a 10 kilogram wooden block on a cement floor. The floor provides a 20 Newton frictional force. The block moves 5 meters to the right. So kung titignan natin, yung force is 40 na in-apply pero yung friction is 20. So therefore, meron pa rin siyang movement kasi mas lamang pa rin yung applied force kumpara doon sa frictional force. Tandaan po natin, the frictional force is always opposite direction with the applied force. It always opposes the motion. Okay, let us get the given. What are given? Okay, the applied force is equals to 40 Newton. The frictional force is 20 Newton. And then the displacement is 5 meter. Okay, what are the forces acting on the block? Okay, applied force, the frictional force, the normal force or the upward force, and then the gravitational force or the downward force, and then the net force. The net force, that is now pertaining to the total force na tanggalin na natin yung 40 Newton applied force and then the 20 Newton frictional force. The net force of those two forces is 20 Newton. I-calculate natin yung work done by the applied force. Ilan ang doon sa applied force? Okay, the formula is force times distance times the cosine theta. So, wala naman binanggit po dyan na okay, the applied force is 40 and then the distance is 5. Therefore, the work done is 200 joules. Okay, work done by frictional force. Kung ilan naman ang nung frictional force. Okay, that is negative 100 joule. So, kung ibabawas natin dyan, okay, that is 180 degrees yung ginamit po dyan. Okay, work done by the normal force. Normal force is perpendicular to the displacement. Okay, that is 90 degrees. But the normal force has nothing to do with the direction of motion, that is 0 joule. Okay, work done by the gravitational force, wala din, 0 joule. So, kumbaga ay negligible yung dalawang force na yan dun sa pinakita nating situation. Okay, work done by the net force. Okay, ito na yung net force. Ayan, kaya sabi ko kanina, i-minus po natin yung 40 Newton divide by 20 Newton. Yung 20 Newton kasi is the frictional force, the opposing force to the applied force, which is 40 minus 20, that is 20 Newton. And then, kapag kinuha natin yung net na work, ilan talagang naging work, that is only 100 joule. Kasi kung titignan natin dito kanina, 200 joule, wala pa dun yung frictional force na nag-oppose. Ay yung pang-oppose niya na work is negative 100. Therefore, that is the net work is only 100 joule. And then, the net force is only 20 Newton. So, kung wala pong friction, mas malakas, yung work. So, kumbaga, yung friction ang pumipigil in terms of the force and then the work done. Okay, concept development. Work is done only when force causes displacement. Yun yung condition po. Nag-apply ka ng force, na kapag nagalaw mo yung object, nagkaroon ng displacement. Pag sinabing displacement, gumalaw siya from original position to final position. That is may work. Okay, the formula for work is equals to force times distance and then the cosine theta. Forces parallel to displacement do work, while perpendicular forces do not. Kagaya ng normal sa kanong gravitational. Okay, conclusion, work is done only when force causes displacement in the same or partly the same direction. Understanding work helps explain how forces affect motion in real life situation.